Hi everybody and welcome to another song tutorial by the Rock You School of Music. Today we're going to be talking about On a Plane from Nirvana's 1991 breakthrough album Nevermind. Alright, let's take a closer look at this one. Okay guys, so On a Plane, there's kind of three different distinct parts happening in this song. Let's talk about the tuning to get started. It's not standard tuning, we're in a drop D tuning, so the low E string goes down a full step to D. If you don't know how to do that, you simply take the open 4 string and you take your low E string and you just keep going lower until you you can do this by ear until you just hear it down an octave, like so it sounds like this. It does take a while to hear that those are the same notes, so I suggest at the beginning using a chromatic tuner to kind of get that going on. So let's talk about what they're doing in the first part of the verse. The verse can be kind of broken down to an A and a B section. The first A part of the verse goes like this. So we have our D power chord on the 5th and 4th strings, right? So that's one thing that the drop D tuning does for us on the 6th and 5th strings. It lets us use a 1-finger bar to achieve our power chord, whereas normally if that string wasn't tuned down a full step, we'd have to do the 1 and 3 fingers, the 5th interval, right? So we have a D chord here. Go to that G power chord. Going down to the 3rd fret. Now we're going to go 2, 3, 2, and then open. So we have okay, so that's the main part of the verse. The B part of the verse is a descending little power chord, little selection here. It goes. So we're going from a D power chord, C, B, A, back to our A part of the verse. Right? The chorus is interesting. This chord down here is a B flat sus2. It's kind of the same chord that Dave Grohl uses to set up the mood in Everlong, the Foo Fighters song. So that chord is. Let's jump ahead to our bridge. It's a 4-chord bridge. Starts on the 3rd fret, 1st finger barring the 3rd fret on the 6th and 5th string. 3rd fret, 2nd fret, A chord, bar the 5th fret on the 6th and 5th string. So it's like this. So we're going from the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret. Open A chord. Back to the 5th fret on the 6th and 5th strings. So you do that 4 times. Bass line that leads right back into the A part of the verse. Alright guys, well I hope this song tutorial has been helpful. If you guys want to see any future song tutorials that you'd like us to do, please leave a comment below in the comment section. If you'd like to see the tab for this, it's going to be up on our Patreon page, so check the link in the description below. Follow us on Instagram, follow us here on YouTube, and we'll see you later. Thanks very much.